back from a Tory Burch event, which was Valentine's. It was really, really fun. Very small and intimate. So I wore this little skirt, no, skirt, the skirt in the front, and shorts in the back, with this leopard print top and this little kind of teddy bear fabric little sweater thing. And my braids, I'm loving my braids, and I've been rocking these brown chunky boots from Nordstrom. I love them so much. This is my outfit. But anyway, I'm sorry about my nose. While I was at Tory Burch, I wanted a wallet so badly, and I bought this one. But anyway, this is what I got. Really, really pretty. This is called, it was in here somewhere. It was on sale though. It is called the T Monogram Contrast Embossed Bifold Wallet. So I wanted something where I can put my card and ID in, and maybe a few bucks. I don't really have cash like that on me, and this is just perfect. And this was maybe like $130, $150. I got that, and then also Tory Burch is very much big on our foundation, which supports women-owned business, donating to charities in Africa to help underprivileged children, help to build schools and stuff like that. And they have these bracelets that when you buy this bracelet, the full amount is donated to the charities. And this chocolate. Yep. I bought myself one, and I bought one for my friend Karen because she was there as well. Hey guys, this is the next day. This is the Monday following the Sunday of the Tory Burch event. I think that's the last time I filmed something yesterday. I promise you, I don't know what happened between yesterday after I turned the camera off to this morning. I have the worst feeling of just feeling like my body was shutting down, just fever, major chills, headache, everything just took over me. And it is now, I didn't go out today. It's maybe like 2-3 o'clock Monday, and I'm forcing myself to move and not to stay in bed. I'm still dealing with a headache right now. I'm coughing. I have no idea what this is. I think there's a lot of stuff going on out there that we don't know. So all I can say is just, I don't want to say wear a mask, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I went to quite a few events this week, and something just happened, and so by pushing myself and kind of getting out of this mode, I feel like I want just to go to sleep. I don't want to go to sleep. I need to move and have my body fight whatever is fighting. So I'm going to start just going to dust off this wine display, probably start the top off the rack and stuff like that, and just see how much I can push myself to do something. So I will show you the piece that I'm going to be using, and then just watch me do it. So I have these things that JB I got from the thrift store. JB does so well finding things at the thrift store. I don't know what this is. It's just like a little gold thing on top and the wood base. I think that would match nicer with the gray. And I have this piece right here, hold on. Rectangular piece that I think I bought this maybe months ago from Home Goods. I have these kind of these pictures in there like that. It's kind of giving a Restoration Hardware vibe, and I think at the very top portion of the shelf, of the built-in, whatever you want to call it, I can put this in the middle and see what I can flank on the side. At least it will fit in the space. And because that's not something that's going to get dusted regularly, I think this would be nice to kind of fill in that gap. So let's see how it looks. And I'm going to just dust all the bottles and everything, because I think when the lid is clean, they don't touch them, which is fine. But because I'm forcing myself to move and to do some work, I'm going to do it today. Okay, guys, I'm just popping in to say, like, I honestly love this blanket right here. It is so soft. The only thing I wish it was just so much way bigger. It is just perfect, just a nice accent, which is fine sometime, but it's such a great investment. This is the one I got from the Pottery Barn Stockroom sale, and I'm loving the pops of color I'm trying to bring into the home right now. That doesn't necessarily change my vibe, but I think it just enhances and brings some more life to this sofa right here. So guys, in the 5 days when I was sick, right, my son got me turned on to Paradise. It's on Hulu. Oh my gosh. Are you guys watching it? It is so good. If not, watch it and comment and tell me what you think. It is so, so, so good. So sorry for the lighting here. I didn't even realize the lighting shift while I was recording, but real life. But anyway, I want to shout out to one of my subscribers here. Miss Elaine, it was so nice meeting you yesterday in the grocery store. Your word was so kind and so encouraging to me. And guys, just to be a little bit vulnerable here, I was ready to quit YouTube a couple days ago. I was talking to my friend and I just asked God for some clarity and I asked him to be bold with his decision on what I need to do. And honestly, since I put that request in and I pray in, I've gotten so much confirmation on what I need to do. And yesterday was just a bold moment when Miss Elaine walked up to me in the grocery store and just say what she said to me. I needed that. So I thank you so much for not being shy or scared to come and say hi. Thank you so, so much. And to all you guys for always supporting me. Thank you so, so much. So this is the day after Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys had an amazing time with your partner, your loved one, whoever you decide to spend that time with. And I hope you get all the flowers and the chocolate and all the things that you desire. So if not, girl, go get yourself something. It's okay. Sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do. But my goodness, I just love the new journey that I'm taking with our home. I love that I'm starting to embracing back colors again. I love that I'm not afraid to play with patterns and all the things. All the things. Do y'all remember a few months ago, not a month, maybe like a few weeks ago, I told you guys I was thinking about taking off this wallpaper because it's just doesn't flow. It doesn't bring into the space. So JB and I decided to lean into the wallpaper more and make the space just to bring it together, to bring more balance. So we're going to get some new drapery. We're going to possibly paint the walls to a more warmer color instead of it being just dark white color, and see if that can just completely tie the space in. Comment below and tell me what you think. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up right here. I'm starting to feel tired, so I'm going to wrap it up. take a break and then pick up filming again. But you did see the blanket. This is what I got from Pottery Barn from the sale. This beautiful chocolate. It's not a big blanket. I think it's just perfect to just fit over the sofa as an accent. But we do have regular blanket that we use to cozy up with. Let me show you the bowl that I also got from Pottery Barn. So this is the bowl, and I just love the color. It's really cool. I got a lot of blues and beige and stuff like this. And regular price was $149, and I got it for $32. So it's really nice. You can put it, like right now I have it behind the sofa and the sofa table. You can put it on your dining table, coffee table. You can put like in the kitchen, do fresh fruits. You can do so many things with it, and that's why I like it so much. I can just use it anywhere at all. Oh, it says right here, not for food use. So definitely don't put food in here. Do more decorative. Hold on. Right, so again, thanks so much. The lighting is kind of wonky right here, but okay, that's it. I need to show you guys, in the next video I'm going to show you guys the corner stool that I got from HomeSense that I mentioned in the previous video, and I'm going to show you my entryway looks like, which is literally empty. And I have an opportunity to work with a brand for some custom drapery, and I'm torn if I should do drapery for my, should I do drapery for my family room or for my bedroom? So maybe you guys can comment below and let me know what to do, because if I do it for if I choose the family room, then I have to choose a color that's gonna really pop with this wallpaper, because I don't want to change the wallpaper out. So let's see, help me below and let's see what happens. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.